How's everybody doing? Yes, Munch, settle down. I'm gonna do this right away, right first thing, so chill out. Don't go crazy on me. This is what my mornings look like. I lay in bed and I smoke pot so I can get out of bed. Hope everybody's having a good morning. This would be like my wake and bake. Except this is the real wake and bake. Munch is usually with me like this in the mornings. I wake up and I'm all full of pain. I don't know, it's like he can feel it. Oh, and he wants to come and love on me. Good morning, Munchie. How you doing, buddy? Yes, I love you too. I love you too. Stop. I love you too. I want to take a hit. Stop. I don't know who joined, but whoever it is, peace. Good morning. Quit licking me. I want to take a hit. Oh. All right, get off me. Move. Oh. I gotta find my muscle relaxers. Oh, got dog hair in my mouth. Oh, fuck. Okay. I hope everybody's having a good morning. I'm having a normal morning, I guess. I guess what everybody can call a normal morning, or as normal as I can get it. Let's start out my morning with 3 flex rolls, muscle relaxers. And if you're wondering, yes, I do sleep in. Oh, God, really? Here, get over there. Get over there. Lay down. I do sleep in my clothes. Because I have a roommate and I don't feel like getting up and getting dressed every time I got to go to the bathroom. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Got to get good and high so I look and feel my best for the day here. Munch, quit. Munch. Quit, dude. Stop. Of course, I got Munch here to help me feel good, I guess, get me going. Lay down. Lay down. Oh. Well, I hope everybody has a good day today. Here in a little bit, I'm going to get up and make coffee and start my day, refill my gallon jug. Well, actually, I refilled it last night. I just looked over and it's right here and it's full. So I'm good to go. I got my juices, my gallon of water. All I need is my coffee to make me feel human this morning. Let's take another hit. I'm getting good and stoned. I hope you guys are too. After I sign off, I'll probably lay in bed here for another hour or so. I'll let the meds kick in. And then I'll actually get up and make my coffee and stuff. But it's fairly early this morning. And it's just getting to be about 7 o'clock. I mean, I didn't show you when I first woke up, because I woke up and I actually did some Facebook shit. But when I first wake up, it's too ugly to even put on high live. I mean, I'm ugly in the morning. It's an ugly thing to see. Nobody wants to see a 50-year-old man just groan and complain and bitch for the first 25 minutes, that he's awake. Right? So anyway, this is how I normally really start my day. Laying in bed, smoking pot, taking drugs. Getting old is so much fun. Yeah, I'll take you out in a little bit too, buddy. I know. You're a good boy. You wait for me. Anyway. This is morning reality. I wish I could bounce out of bed and start my day, and I can't anymore though. And I'm really unwilling to show you what I look and sound like when I first wake up. I don't know if it's embarrassing or not, but it's me. That's a little bit of my private time that I spend waking up and complaining about the world and everything else. So let's take another hit and then we'll probably sign off here. Oh, 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 huh. Mm. Oh boy, that was a good hit. Whew. For all my friends, I posted a picture of my grandbaby Desiree. Only my friends can see it. I posted it on my Facebook account. And if you want to see a beautiful grandbaby, go look at my grandbaby Desiree. She is a beaut. Other than that, it's too early in the morning to start bitching about anything else. I mean, I wake up and I bitch about my own body, and that's about it. Let's take another hit. All right. I think that's about it, guys. Always remember you got to be 21 in the state where it's legal to smoke marijuana. If not, just don't do it. Uh, it's impossible to love everybody, so let's just try not to hate. I mean, love the ones you can. And I mean, I love all you fuckers. So, just hang in there. Peace. Be careful today. Watch out for everybody. I mean, God knows, there's all kinds of crazy shit happening out there. And I'll probably see you fuckers later. Stay high, bitches.